Welcome back to Prudent Practice Startup. Now we're going to look at location, nailing your most important decision. Okay, if we look at the modules that we've completed so far, we've been setting up a foundation, a framework, if you will, building the identity, understanding who we are, what our values are going to be, what our mission's going to be. It's going to help shape us or shape our decision making as we make some pretty important decisions along the way now. And the first step for that is choosing a location. Why is location important? We need to set up in the right location. It could be the difference between being busy or slow. It can translate to hundreds of thousands of dollars in revenue. And often dentists can try to save a few $1,000s a month by being in a slower location. You save in rent, but it can cost them hundreds of thousands of dollars in lost revenue over time. So, how do we find the right location for us? Well, we start with our ideal patient in mind. So, remember, Jack's ideal patient would be members of a family that require general dentistry, and Jill's ideal patient would be working professionals interested in larger cases. You have three main areas to analyze when we choose a location: the macro demographic location, the micro demographic location, and looking for unique circumstances. You've been watching an excerpt from the program How to Start and Run a Dental Practice Successfully, a step-by-step comprehensive guide. To watch the rest of the module and to give access to the whole program with all the modules, you can go to matherdental.education.com/courses/again. Otherwise, if you're watching this on YouTube, just scroll down and I have the course links ready there for you.